Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Unbox with Anas. Today video we will discuss about how to create the syntax of object. Let's start the video. So the first one is object creations. What is the symbol of creating the object? What is the syntax? So the syntax is the class name and name of your object like OB is equal to new is a keyword which is used to create the object and the constructor of your class. This is the syntax of the creating the object. And the second one is what about the object loading process? What is the object loading process? So that is nothing, just a first step to understand the object loading process. The step one, new keyword create block of memory in a heap area means the new keyword is a role of the creating the block of memory in a heap area. Heap area is a memory allocations where the our address of the of an object is created. Step two, a new keyword call the constructor. And the third step is constructors provide states and behavior for an object. Means your object, whatever the property they have, it will be provided by the constructor. Through the constructor, you can get the states and behavior. And the fourth one is once the object is created, new keyword is return the address of the object. So next one is let's suppose this is the our heap area. Okay, inside of heap area we have states and behavior. I also previously I explained that what is states and behavior of Linux, but no problem. I can explain here also. States is basically the property of your object. Okay, behavior is a actions. Your method, what your method do is a behavior, and the whenever the variables and the method is created, that one address will be created inside the heap area, and that states and behavior is call it as a object reference. That address name is a object reference, and that object reference is always the type of the class. So as you can see, the type of reference is always similar to type of class name. If your class is marker, means your reference type is marker type. Next one is let's take the one program. So here we have a class marker. So our class is a marker. Marker is what are the property of the markers? So here we just mentioned the three properties. That first one is color, and the second one is brand, and third one is price. And after these properties, what we need behavior means what your market is doing. So by using your market, you just writing something in your board. So that is a method public static void right. Right is a method. Inside of right, we have a system.out.println right. When your compiler calling your program or when your user calling the write, it will be print the write. And also here we have a main method. After the main method, we have a object. What type of object is a marker type of object? And this marker M1 is equal to new marker. So marker is a first class, as you can see previously. Class name is a first one is a class name, and this is the our object name M1, and is equal to new is a keyword which is used to create the object. And This marker is a constructor marker of this of follow या फिर you can say this parenthesis. So this is the constructor. And also we have a second object, the same as the marker and two. You can create the multiple object in the same by using the same class. Marker and two is equal to new marker. So the people get confused here. In our class, we don't have a constructor. How you are using that? Because the compiler by default adding the constructor. If you are forgetting to not write the constructor, then compiler by default add the constructor. And here we just adding the values m1 dot color blue, m1 dot brand camry, m1 dot price 10, and m2 dot color green cello and 15 rupees. So this is the our value inside the color brand and price. And what will be happen in a heap area? First of all, the one object will be one variable is created. Okay, that variable can be color, brand, and price. Okay, so here color, brand, price. So this color, what we'll do? Just have a null values. In the initial value of this color, brand, and price is null, 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 null. When you're running the program, after running the program, this the our compiler assigned the value is a blue Camry 10.0, green cello 15.0, and this null value will be erased. This is the way of working our object. Also, we have a method. That method should also be there. That is called. So, so I hope you will understand the object creation, object loading process, and in area. So, also we have some point like here we don't mention the this keyword. So just explain you what is the this keyword. So basically, this is a keyword. It is a special non-static variable which is used to store the correct object reference. Not a correct, I think it's a current object reference. Let me correct it. So yeah, it will store the current object reference. Also, we have one more point that is if the non-static variable and local variable has the similar name, then non-static variable can be accessed by using this keyword. Means non-static variables and local variables. So local variables means a variable which is created inside the method, and non-static variable which is created outside the method block. So whenever you call the variables, it will be then non-static variable can be accessed by using this keyword. In this video, that's all about it. Next video, we will discuss the constructor. I hope you will enjoy this video. Also, we will learn purpose of constructor and types of constructor based on the formal argument. No argument constructor, parameterized constructor. Also, we have a constructor overloading and constructor overriding. So these are the things we will discuss in the next video. In this video, that's all about it. And before you go, let's subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and just do some comment. I have to know about more you. Your comment will be understand me how the video I can make